Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. This is part 2 of an unboxing from Ebony, who is the Rosette Guru on Instagram and the Crafty Girl also on Instagram and YouTube. So if you haven't yet subscribed to Ebony's Instagram, please go check her out. I have the link in the description box below. And don't forget to follow her also on YouTube, because her and we do lives, and she usually tries to announce if she's going to have sales or when she's having sales. So you could better be prepared. But anyway, if you're coming from part 1, this is part 2, and it's mostly like holiday themey part. And the first one I'm going to show is a Tiffany theme. Wow. Okay. Look at her. Look at this silver with the, oh my gosh, Tiffany blue. What a beautiful pen. Oh, wouldn't that be gorgeous for a graduation gift, like to go to college? If your lucky student graduating is going to go to college. Yeah, that would be gorgeous. Look at the Tiffany & Co. And we've got this beautiful Tiffany bead, fancy bead. Wow, that is beautiful. She also has some plaid. That's gorgeous. Everything is gorgeous, you guys. Look at those. Oh my God, I say it every time. I love these. So fun. And then we've got these guys. Oh my gosh. And she gave me some silver bead spacers too. So, you know, in a previous unboxing. Look at that one. So you see the size difference? See that? There's the size difference. That would be gorgeous on a pen. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And then we have these little ones. Clear with the blue in the center. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh, Becky. Wow. So pretty. Ah! Oh, hell no. It went everywhere. Oh, I cannot leave it on the floor, because if I step on it, that's the end of my feet. So, oh yeah, we've got some. Oh, look at that. She got some black ones. Oh, that is pretty. Velvet. I just need one. But look at this velvety charm. That's like the other one I showed in the previous unboxing. But look at that. Oh, it's so hard to see in this light. There you go. It's velvet. So pretty, Ebs. Oh my gosh. Wow. That beautiful flocking. And then we have this. I don't know what these are. Oh, acrylics. Look at her. So pretty with the present. Oh yeah, classic Tiffany. Tiffany & Co. That is beautiful. And then we've got the silicone beads, double-sided, Tiffany & Co. Like, oh yeah, that is beautiful. Double-sided also, silicone focal beads. So pretty, Ebs. Wow. You guys got to go check her out. Like I said, follow her on Instagram. You don't even have to be a crafter, you know. If you like making stuff for yourself, to have like purse charms or dangles for your, you know, planners and stuff like that, she has got gorgeous selections. Look at these bad girls. Not boys, bad girls. We got pink. I love this. I love that. And then gold and silver. Oh, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. I love it. It fits the theme perfectly. If she had the Tiffany color, that would even be more perfect. But you know, There's always tomorrow. Okay, that is the Tiffany set. Here we have some Christmas. Actually, let me do this one. Oh, lost. There you go. There's a bead right there. Don't want to lose my beads. Sorry. Sorry. I gotta do it. Gotta do it. Because if I lose it, it's not good. What did I say? I'm going to do 4th of July because it's coming up. Look at these chunky monkey stars. I love these stars. She also has these fun little light bulby or ornament type bead. So the hole is from the top and the bottom here. Isn't that beautiful? Like 4th of July lights out in the yard. And we've got these heart beads with the ribbon. So, so cool. And then she's got these funky, chunky little stars with the plaid. That is adorable. Oh my God. And then we've got a variety. These have stars in it. Those are stars. And then, let me tilt my light a little. Got red and blue glitter. And we've got our stripy stripes. Oh my God, you know me. That's my favorite. And then we've got our silicone with a little glitter on there. Look at that. It's a bead, don't forget. And then we've got these guys, the little cat eye with the blue and red. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Did I show these? These have stars in it too. So it's like the red with the clear. It's got red stars. This one has silver stars. So very pretty. And I think I showed this one. Like, look at that. Look at the galaxy. Okay, let's see if I could get these in here without pouring out everywhere. So that is a gorgeous one. You can throw a gold in there or silver even. Silver bow with that would be real pretty. I did Tiffany, so here we go. This one is Christmas, pink Christmas. Ooh, with the acrylic. Look at this little snow girl. Isn't she cute? Oh my God, I love her. She's so cute. And you can feel it. It's like texture. And then we've got this beautiful Christmas tree. Look at all the details on there. Look at the bow. She is adorable. And then we got our little chunky little Gingy with a gigantic bow. How cute is she? Ooh, I love the back, the glitter. And then this little pink snowflakey beads. Can you see the snowflake? Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. This was, it says Ebony. I guess she forgot to take her name off. Okay, and then here's another traditional color Christmas theme. Ooh, here's the jingle bell, jingle bell. Oh yeah, she got the green with the glitter. Oh yeah, right up my alley. Then we've got the stripy stripes. Ooh, green and red. That's pretty. Isn't it pretty? And then we've got the green and red. Ooh, cat eye. Oh, you see that? Anyway, there you go. So very pretty. And did I show the stripes? Green and red. I'll just show it again. Whatever. Look at our little snowman. Oh, there's frosted and then there's clear. So we got a frost and a clear snowman. And they're beads. They go up and down, top to bottom. Not side to side. I love it. So cute. And then we got our green Christmas tree with the really variety Christmas lights. And here are the jingle bells. Jingle bells. I think my hands won't let me hold it. How cute. Santa jingle bells. Oh my God, I love this. Love it. Oh, you know, and I tell this on these videos all the time. You can always direct message her. If you see a picture that you like on there, make sure you open the comment box, because usually she will say if it's sold out. So if you leave a message, if you see it that it's not sold out, look at the gingies. This is the last one, our little gingies. Leave a comment, because she might still have some. She may or may not, but then again, she may be able to pull it back in, you know, order new ones. But double-sided gingies, how cute. Oh my God, I love that bead. That is, oh, sorry. It's double-sided. Look at that. You could see that gingy in there. So cute. I love, brown is always a fave. Like, it's hard to get the browns for like the gingerbread themes. Look at this bow. It's so pretty. It's a bead. So go check it out. And then we got our stripes. Oh my gosh, she did it right. She got all the colors, like even the brown. These lines, oh my gosh, perfect. So cute. And then we have an acrylic. It just says Merry Christmas with all the gingies. Oh, I love this. So very cute, Ebs. Look at that. There's another one with the red hat. So cute. That was it, guys. So yeah, I didn't want to put them all together in the same video, just because then it would have really been really long. So, and I don't know if you guys like the long videos or not. So I'm trying to break it up. Eb said, you could break it up. So I break it up. And I think I like that better, because then I'm not hurting myself unboxing everything. So that is it, guys. If you guys want to go check Ebony out, like I said, open the description box down below. Click on the link. It'll take you right to her Instagram page. Hit the follow, and then hit the notification bells for her. Again, she also does lives with me on my channel, her channel, on Tuesday and Thursday and Sundays. So check her out. Check me out. If you're not following me, hit the follow, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bells, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy crafting. Bye.